Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, and that means we have another review. Let's see who it is from. And it is quite the bag. All right. Whoa. Avalanche. Hang on. All right. Let me have a second and I will tell you who this is from. Right, this comes from OneDaySaving, and it'll be in 2 parts. Next one will be next Wednesday. So let's start with the little tiny package here and see what we got inside. They package them really well, but the ends still get bent. I wish they could figure out something else that's what I think it is. Oh yeah. Well, if I can get it out of there. Get rid of the packaging. Well, we're just play the easy way here. And get it out sideways. Alright, this is another one of the needle threaders, and one little end got a little bent. And there is a, if I can't get it, I'll just leave it, but there's a plastic coating on the outside, or back side. Come on. There we go. So it has a teapot and a teacup and some pretty little red, it looks like cherries, on the back side. Same picture on the front, and it has kind of glittery. So I told you they come in round, or if I can get this off there easily, the oval. So yeah, and you have several to pick from on both sides of that. And this was $4.95. Does have a magnet in the middle to hold your thread, or your needle, sorry, your thread. And I just put another magnet on the other side, and that way it stays on my material when I'm stitching. But isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wish I had a teapot like that. I have one, but it doesn't have a bamboo handle. I had one, gosh, when I got married the first time. A friend of mine gave me a tea set, Chinese tea set. So yeah, I've loved China stuff like that for over 40 years. But yeah, and I have no idea what happened to it. Sorry, I am a bit thirsty today. So let's get on to the cross stitch. Comes in a big bag. Kind of stuck it in there. Pull that out and flip it over. This one actually has a picture. And of course it's a tiger. We can never have too many tigers. Isn't he beautiful? Look at all those colors. Just gorgeous. This is a 40 by 53. And it was $10.16. Has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And all on one big, I'm gonna get you up a little bit, one big piece of paper, so you have your instructions on how to start, how to finish. Then you have this nice big key. It has 50 colors in it, guys. 50. You have 310 black, 550 purple, 666 red, 823 dark blue, no 939, no 3371 or 3865. But very nicely printed, very easy to see. I would not need to blow this up. So, yeah, good job, guys. Good job. I'm glad they're getting bigger pictures of, you know, how to see the key and everything, because this is very well made. I don't see any smears at all. No, just gorgeous. But isn't he stunning? Isn't he just stunning? I love all those colors. He's like a whimsical tiger. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Okay, let me flip this over. You have a yak on the paper. And it comes with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Just going to set that aside. The threads all come in their own bag. It does have 40 by 53 and the product number. Very, very, very nice. Get that out of my way. It does come with a hank of probably 310. We're getting there. Where is it? 310 black for your background. But look at all these luscious rainbow of colors. Just awesome. Can't believe it has 50 colors, but look at them. Aren't they stunning? Just bright, vivid jewel tones. You have some neon green, pink, kind of a rusty pink, teals, purples, golds, yellow, orange. I couldn't think what it was called. This one's even better. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful reds, oranges, teals. There's where your 310 black is. This is 550 purple, but look at those blues. Oh, to die for. And more kind of lime green, yellow green. Just, stunning. And it's an 11 count, which I love. Alright, let me get that all wrapped up so we don't lose that hank of 310, because we don't have any 310 hanging around. Not. Yeah, probably. I'm sure there's enough to fill an entire bag, if not 2. And that being the huge bags. Alright, let's see what's going on here. So we have a nice canvas. It is serged all the way around. This part is very well printed. Just beautiful. And it's just the right size. It's not overdone. It's not underdone. Got a piece of fuzz there. Stitching just goes in just a little bit on your numbers, but your paper pattern's going to match it. And that's your DMC number, so it's not going to affect the symbols. Symbols are nice and big and easy to see. There you go, just so it doesn't have a glare. But this is very well printed. And there is a nice evening out of the colors. I mean, like this whole background is not one color. I mean, that is just disheartening, and it just makes you not want to do it when there's all that one solid color. I just cannot stick with it. And it's got other colors like around it that are just gonna pop out of this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Let me move my pin cushion there a minute. Let's get a tape measure on this. Okay, it's supposed to be 53. So it is 53 and a half by 40. Yep, that's what that's supposed to be. Actual picture size is 13 and a quarter, or almost 34 and a half. I mean 34 centimeters. If I could just talk. Oh my goodness. 48 centimeters, or almost 19 inches. 18 and 3/4-ish. Yes, a very lovely size. I am going to love working on this. I don't see a whole lot. Whoops, there went the sanitizer. A whole lot of confetti. You know, you're going to have some here, there, and everywhere. But it's like ping, 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 ping. You know, it's not... I hate that. You've got nice big areas to stitch. You know, and they're just big enough, you know. They're not very hard to do at all. I just absolutely love that. Ugh. There'll be some starts this weekend. I might have a marathon weekend of starts. So let's see what's in this bag. Oh, there's my blue thread. I gotta get it back. Okay, let me pull it out. And okay, make sure everything's there. This does not have a picture, so I will post a picture here. Okay, I am back. So as you can see, it's the white and gray and shades of black and like charcoal of the Tai Chi Elephants. Has a nice big pattern as well. Very nice, very easy to see all the symbols. This has 40 colors, and it's going to have some confetti here and there. Just here, there, and everywhere. And it's a 40 by 40, so it's not very big. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares by square. It is 147 by 147. This has 310 black, 823, 939, 3371, and 3865 and 3866. If there's a difference, I'm not sure. I'm sure there is. But yes, very nicely printed. They have done so well with these Tai Chis. I just absolutely love them. Love them. Okay, so what else have we got going down here? Does come with an instruction piece of paper, just like was printed on the bigger one. And both of these kits, the paper pattern will match the canvas. But very nice if you're new to this. Does come with a tool kit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we have a blossom this time. Let's take a look at all them yummy colors. So this is going to be more in the black to white, you know, the gray tones, tan tones, browns. So not too much lively colors. I love the way the picture looked. It kind of looks like a wood carving if you look at the actual picture. Okay, this is 3371. I'm sure of it. 3371. It's that dark brown. Very nice. And this is probably 310. Yep, 310 black. Let's take a look at the colors. So, like I said, see, it's more grays, like the color of an elephant, that go from light to medium dark. So, here we have 3865 here and 3866. It's got more tan to it. And you have kind of a taupe brown. And this is kind of a dark hunter green-ish. That, I don't know how to explain it. It's like green with a little bit of black in it. And then, whoops. Boy, that went like 4 different directions, didn't it? Sorry about that. So, yeah, you have steel blues up here, and some white, more white. You even have a pale pink and a dark blue. And then down, this is 823, and then this one here is 939. Very nice. And there's your 3371 right here by itself. It's a full hank. So, very beautiful colors. I think the shades are just going to make this picture just absolutely going to make it. Hang on just a second. Let me get it all wounded up here so we don't lose anything. get the little frizzies cut off before I get the scissors out of my way. I have a whole pile of them fuzzies. Let's see, the elephants were $9.09. This goes to summertime. I'm going to leave that over there. I left it on the thing. Very nicely printed, 40 colors, nice serging all the way around. Product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. Very nice. And the thread does not go into the numbers, but your paper pattern will match. Canvas. Symbols are very easy to see. Let me put this up here so you can see them. Very nice. Very nicely done indeed. They printed these so awesome. And this one's going to have more confetti than this last picture that I had. But it's just kind of here and there, and then you have lots of rivers of color. So that is very nice. See how big this one is? Okay, it is 40.5 centimeters or 16 inches by 40 centimeters or a little over 16 inches. Actual picture is pretty close to 13.5 or 34.5 centimeters by 33 3/4 centimeters or 13 1/4 inches. So very nice. I love these. We're getting to the last rows of getting any more of these. I'm not sure how many more I have out that will be coming. But very nicely printed. They're so easy to work on. And this material is not, it's stiff here, but it's not as thin, or thick, I'm sorry. Not as thick as some that I've had. So, very nice. All right. Well, thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful kits. They are just gorgeous. Now, OneDaySaving has cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They also do custom. They have paper quilling. They have some beaded cross-stitch. They have tools and crafts for all three of the majors. Just a lovely store, and they always have a lovely selection. And I believe they have free shipping on orders over $50. If any of that has changed, put that in the description box below. If I have a discount code, it will be in the description box. Also, if they have any other kind of specials going, I will put that in there as well. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.